Hello and welcome. Are you suddenly inspired to learn how to crochet? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we will be making this washcloth while learning how to crochet with the half double crochet stitch. This stitch is one of the basic crochet stitches you will use for many of your crochet projects and stitch patterns. For this washcloth, I will be using I Love This Cotton yarn from Hobby Lobby. You will also need a 5mm or H hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. Now before we begin, I want to point out there are different ways of making a slip knot, controlling the tension, and holding the crochet hook. I will be showing you the ways that work best for me. As you are learning how to crochet, you will find the how-tos that work best for you. Now let's get started. To start this washcloth, we're going to make a slip knot and a chain. Now to make the slip knot, I wrap the yarn around my finger and cross, hold where it's crossed, slip the loop off of my finger. With the yarn from the skein, go under the loop and pull it through, and there is your slip knot. To create the chain, place your hook in the loop and pull. Grab the yarn and go through the loop. Grab the yarn, go through the loop. Now as your chain gets longer, you'll want to move where you're holding closer to where you're creating the chain. Now go ahead and finish your chain of 32 and I'll meet you back here. Here we are with our chain of 32. We're going to place our first half double crochet stitch in the third chain from the hook. Now the loop on the hook does not count. This is the first chain, second chain, and in the third chain we're going to yarn over, place our hook in the top loop of that chain. We're going to grab our yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn and pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. That is your first half double crochet stitch. And in the next chain, we're going to yarn over, go through that top loop of the chain, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And one more time, yarn over, go through that top loop of the chain, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Now to complete row 1, you'll place a half double crochet stitch in each of the chains for a total of 30 stitches. When you're completed with row 1, I'll meet you back here. Here we are at the end of row 1. I'm going to place that last stitch in that last chain. Now for row 2, we're going to chain 2 and turn. Now the first stitch is going to go right here. We're going to yarn over, place our hook in that top of that stitch. Be sure to go through both loops. Grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And in the next stitch, we're going to yarn over, go through the top of that stitch. There's that V. We're going to grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And once again, in the next stitch, we're going to yarn over, go through the top of that stitch. We're going to grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Now to complete row 2, you'll place a half double crochet stitch in each of the stitches for a total of 30. And I'll see you at the end of the row. Here we are at the end of row 2. I want to be sure that you catch that very last stitch. You may need to turn your work to see it. And there it is. Going to yarn over and go through that stitch. Now for row 3, just as we did for row 2, and for every row to follow, we're going to chain 2 and turn. Now the first stitch is going to go here. And the next stitch. And one more. This will be the pattern to use to complete the washcloth. After row 3, you will crochet 21 more rows. When you complete all 24 rows, I will meet you back here to show you how to finish your washcloth. Here we are at the end of our work. I have crocheted 24 rows. The only thing left to do is to tie off and sew in the ends. To tie off, we're going to chain 1, cut the yarn, be sure to leave enough for sewing. We're going to pull through and pull it tight. For sewing, we're going to take our yarn needle. We're going to place the yarn over the needle and pinch it tight. Slip it off of the needle and thread it through. Now you're ready for sewing. We're going to go through the stitches with the needle. Trim the yarn. And you want to do the same for the beginning tail. And your washcloth is complete. Congratulations! You have crocheted your first washcloth using the half double crochet stitch. I hope that this video has been helpful. Have a great day and keep on crocheting.